I just realized that my other camera stopped working while I was in here painting, so I'm going to do another video here so you can get a closer view of what it looks like while it's still wet. It covered up my resin patches really well. I did have to do a second coat over those resin patches, but it worked out really well. I didn't have to wait for it to fully dry to do that either. But I will say you are supposed to wait a certain period before you do any second coating. But I'm out of paint, so I had to do what I had to do. And unfortunately, like I had said before during my other video, there is quite a bit of running in some places. We got some running there. I don't know, it was a pretty good experience. I'm pleased with it so far. Hopefully it holds up.